Dear students, today we will prove theorem 6.1. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Yesterday we have learned what are vertically opposite angles. Now, I am just using these two things to make that two lines. One line is this, green, another line is this. So, what are the vertically opposite angles? This angle and this angle. They are called vertically opposite angles. This angle and this angle. They are called vertically opposite angles. Now, from the figure, what we have get? What we have got? This plus this is 180 degree. Why? Straight line को एकपट्टि 180 डिग्री हुन्छ or linear pair of angles. So suppose I am writing this is angle 1, this is angle 2. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Now again in the figure, suppose I am writing this angle as 3. This plus this linear pair of angles, or you can say in this way that (180 degree in one side of a straight line). So whatever it may be, either you think is linear pair of angles or you think it as 180 degree on either side of straight line. So from this, angle 2 plus angle 3. Angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. From these two, what we get? 180, 180, they are equal. So, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Both sides, angle 2 cha cancel go. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. That means, this angle is equal to this angle. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Similarly, we can prove that this angle is equal to this angle. That means 2 is equal to angle 4. How? This plus this 180, this plus this 180. That means 1 plus 2 180, 1 plus 4 180. In that case, 1 will be cancelled and we will get 2 is equal to 4. In this way, we can prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. I think you have understood. Now, with the help of this knowledge, we have to solve the sums of exercise 6.1. How? In number 1, it is given that AB and CD intersect at lines. AB and CD intersect at O. AB and CD lines intersect at O. And angle AOC plus angle BOE, O is another arm, BOE is equal to 70 degree. That means you double dharka lageko ye duita angle milena 70 degree. And angle BOD, this cross angle jonche cha, this is 40 degree. So we have to find out the value of BOE matlab yo sano angle, and COE, this big angle. Now, to prove this, to find out the values, what we have to do that, this one is 180 degree and this one is 180 degree. So, AOC, this angle, BOE, this angle, their summation is 70 degree. AOC and BOE is 70 degree. This angle plus this angle is 70 degree. So, what will be the value of this angle? Obviously, it will be 110 degree, isn't it? Total angle is 180 degree. This plus this 70 degree. So, यो कति हुन्छ? Obviously 180 minus 70, that is 110 degree. So what you have to write? Angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree. You can write here one side of this and like that. Therefore, or 70 degree plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70, that is 110 degree. Now it is 110 degree. Now, in this figure, the whole angle is 180 degree. This is 110, this is 40. So 110 plus 40, that is 150. So what will be the value of this angle? It will be obviously 130, because all the angle is 180. This is 110, this is 40, so 150. So it will be 30. Again, you have to write in the same manner. Now you have to finish the sums of 6.1.